Hi, I'm Greg Baker. Today we're going to take a look at the ePack 3322, Texwrap's e-commerce solution that optimizes materials, speed, and accuracy in mid to high volume e-commerce operations. The ePack 3322 by Texwrap creates ready-to-ship right-size mailer packages that save on materials, usage, and costs. It reduces labor costs while increasing throughput and saves on dim weight, all while reducing the chances of errors. The ePack 3322 is built on Texwrap's reliable platform, the 3322L bar. With hundreds of 3322s running 24/7, there isn't a more tested or reliable intermediate machine out there. At up to 20 packs per minute, the ePack 3322 is significantly faster than manual operations. But fast is only good if it's accurate. That's why the ePack 3322 incorporates Smart Track, a proprietary product tracking feature that helps prevent order fulfillment errors. Unlike other e-commerce packaging solutions that rely on manual error detection, the unique technology found on ePack uses a series of photo eye tracking and verification sensors. If product is removed from the line or misplaced, the system alarms and stops, preventing subsequent packages from being labeled incorrectly. This feature alone can improve profitability, as the cost of a single mispacked or mislabeled package is more than simply freight, labor, and material, but also the loss of customer confidence. First, let's look at normal operation. As the product moves along the in-feed conveyor and the photo eye detects the leading edge of the product, the length and position of this product is captured and tracked through the process. Then, an induction camera triggers and scans a product for a unique code. The induction camera scans the code, passing the info to the customer's warehouse management system. The system accesses the data file of addresses and queues up the appropriate label information at the labeler. As product advances into the wrapper, and just before entering the sealer, a light array confirms the position of the product, then scans the length and height of the product. Once this process is complete, the wrapper will seal and create a fully enclosed bag. The label is then applied to the bag during the seal cycle. At this point, a verification camera confirms the sequence of the applied label is correct and continues the process once again. As we see here, the item matches and the system continues normal operation. Now, let's take a look how this feature alerts the operator when there is a discrepancy. Again, the product is moving along the in-feed conveyor, and the photo eye detects the leading edge of the product and captures its length and position. The induction camera reads the code on the product and sends the information to the customer's WMS and is queued up. But here, an item is removed from the line. The system then recognizes that the product position is incorrect, alarms, and stops the system. This prevents the wrong label from being applied to subsequent packages. Now that the operator is alerted, they can clear the alarm and resume production, go to the touchscreen display, select e-commerce settings, and clear all barcodes and products from the wrapper. This clears any package and label info in the queue, and all the products are reintroduced as new items. This error preventing feature is just one of the ways Texwrap is helping e-commerce customers improve efficiency. The features and benefits of the 3322 are the ability to accommodate a wide range of product sizes, speeds of up to 20 mailers per minute save on both labor and time, and advanced photo eyes that accurately measure the product dimensions to create the perfectly sized mailer every time. Saves on manual packing labor costs. Significant savings versus pre-made bags. By minimizing the amount of packaging used, dimensional weight freight are reduced.